Today we will discuss about the tooltip of Highcharts, how we can format the tooltip and also how we can add the custom tooltip. To implement the Highchart, what I did, I had installed the package of Highchart already, and also I have imported the Highcharts module and the Highcharts. These two imports, and other than this, I have created the chart option already in which we can see the chart, title of the chart and the series. So here let me add some chart data. This formatter function is taking a parameter of Highcharts. Let me add the. Here I'm adding VR tag so that the value of y can come in next line. And here if we want, then we can add the title of the chart. You can take anything like the deep span. In my case, I'm going to take the span to display the title of the chart. We add the BR. Now here we can see the value of x, value of y, and the title all are coming. So in case if there is a requirement, if we want to highlight the value of x and the value of y, then let's see how we can achieve this. We can achieve this using the strong. Let's save the changes and see. Yeah, so we can see the value are getting highlighted. And if we want to some add some extra css, let's say if you want to change the background of the tooltip or the color of the text, then how we can achieve. I'm going to show you how we can change the color of the text. Let's save and see the changes applied. Here we can see we are writing all the logics into the tooltip section. What we can do, if we want, then we can move all these into the other function. So let's see how we can move this into the other function. Let me create some custom function like get tooltip data. Let me paste the changes here and call this function here. That's it. Let's save the changes. So here we can see the tooltip text is still coming. And now we will see how to add some custom data to the tooltip other than the value of x and the y. We can add the static text, and also if needed then we can add the dynamic data. High charts have custom property to display the custom data. So now let's see how we can access this custom data into the tooltip. So to display the custom data into the tooltip, here I have added the custom property, and this custom property is an inbuilt property of the high charts. So here I have added the custom data also, custom data 1, custom data 2, custom data 3. So this way we can add the custom data for all the points or the x and y value. So now let's see how we can access this custom data. So to access this custom data, we have to change this like this way, and let me copy this and paste. So here what we can do, custom info. Let's save and see again. So here we can see the custom data is coming for each points, custom data 2 and custom data 3. So this is the way using that we can display the custom data into the tooltip. If required, then this custom data we can get from the API along with the X and Y value, and bind this data with the series, and this will display here automatically into the tooltip. And here we can see on the Y value, Y axis we can see value is coming, and the X axis nothing is coming. So as per data, we can change the value title of the X and Y as per the requirements. So let's see how we can do this. We have the property like uh, title property. Let's save the changes. see here the title of the x is coming. Similarly, we have to add for the y axis as well. Let me copy this. Let's save the changes. So here we can see title of y and title of x both are coming. Thank you.